Jewelry is so much more than an accessory. It can be a memory, a keepsake, or an heirloom. Keeping our valuable pieces protected is a priority for all of us. Knowing what our jewelry is worth and what it's made of can also help us protect it properly. Your nearest jewelry shop, such as our Arcadia jewelry repair shop, can help you determine everything you need to know about your jewelry so you can understand how to protect your valuable pieces. How to store jewelry. When you own expensive jewelry or jewelry that's extremely important to you, a locked safe is the best way to store it. You want to be able to prevent anyone from being able to swipe your jewelry, whether in your home or when traveling. Keeping this jewelry in a jewelry bag, box, or tray can help you prevent pieces from getting tangled or caught on each other. How to store specific jewelry. Certain types of gems or stones need a little bit of extra care to keep them stored safely. You should ensure you clean jewelry before storing it and take it out occasionally to clean it. For instance, diamonds should be cleaned with either ammonia and water or mild detergent. If any gems or stones are loose, don't put off getting them repaired. Sometimes all that's needed is some tightening to ensure stones don't get too loose and fall off. Loose gems and stones can also potentially scratch other elements of jewelry, which may be more difficult to repair. What is jewelry insurance? Jewelry insurance is similar to other forms of insurance. It allows you to recover a financial loss when something is lost or stolen from you. Similar to other insurance policies, there are key factors to a jewelry insurance policy that you want to keep in mind. Good jewelry insurance should cover your jewelry no matter where it goes. This means that your policy should remain valid even if you're taking your jewelry on vacation or you're wearing it. You can also shop coverage based on the nature of your jewelry ownership, including pieces that are being designed or are on consignment. What is jewelry appraisal? A jewelry appraisal can give you detailed information about what your beloved jewels are currently worth. Before you trust an appraisal, be sure you get some background information from the appraiser about their credentials. Some reputable jewelry stores will have an in-house appraiser, but they might not always have the best training. Appraisals are often required before you can purchase an insurance policy on your collection. Furthermore, appraisals should be done more than once, as the value of precious metals, stones, and gems can change all the time. Jewelry stores in Arcadia. Jewelry stores near me. No more searching for an Arcadia jewelry repair shop that can help appraise and provide insurance for valuable jewelry. Dorano Jewelry can do it all. This trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop takes great pride in helping you protect your jewelry.